All right, this is good. Load that one up, I'll be right back to help you. If you've been watching our ProFed Rock Star videos, you'll probably notice one common theme throughout each one of them, that it doesn't matter where you work in the district, whether you're preparing lunches for students, you're a dance instructor, or you're one of our valued Sodexo employees cleaning up lunchrooms and classrooms so students have a great working environment. Or if you're one of our maintenance and operation managers working the backhoe here to get new mulch ready for a student playground. Everybody is focused on one thing, and that's student achievement. Hello everyone, I'm Stephen Armstrong, Digital Content Coordinator for Fort Wayne Community Schools. And today, we're nestled into a really sweet spot in between West Jefferson Boulevard and Taylor Street, where almost every single day, 39,000 people drive by, not even knowing we're here. This is where our facilities department is, our warehouse, and as I introduce you to our maintenance and operations department, they're the ones that keep everything fixed and ready to go in almost all of our 65 buildings across the city. Come with me as I introduce you to our ProFed Employee Rock Star, who takes all of these 13,000 work orders for these employees and divides them out among a brand new software that we just implemented so that everything can get fixed in the classroom with really the touch of an iPhone and some great skilled employees. So come with me as we find out why she's a ProFed Employee Rock Star. All right, we're here at Maintenance and Operations today with our ProFed Employee Rock Star of October. I can't believe we're already in October, Stephanie Sanders. And Stephanie, we'll get into in a second why you're a rock star, but first I wanted to give you the official Rock Star t-shirt that all of our rock stars get. This is from our sponsor, First Wilkerson Designs. They create some amazing t-shirts like these 260 Fort Wayne shirts, and we got some exciting ones coming up in the next 2 months. But that is yours because you are our rock star.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
So Stephanie, tell us a little bit about what you do here at FWCS.
Actually, I currently am the dispatcher for maintenance and operations. Our department processes about between 13 and 15,000 work orders a year. We service 65 buildings. We have 45 maintenance technicians that do service those buildings, and our main goal is to make the learning environment for our students comfortable.
That is amazing. And when you talk about the learning environment, so often we kind of lose track if we're not in the classroom, right? And we're not a teacher working directly with the students, that there's so much else going on in the district to make those learning environments great for all the students. How long have you been here at the district and doing this work?
I actually have been with the district for 29 years. I was in a building, so I can be super empathetic when a secretary calls and she says, we're testing and it's hot. Can we do anything about the heat, like turn the heat down so the students can concentrate? So I can totally relate to that. I've been with maintenance and operations for 3 years. So
that's cool, and you're doing a great job. The reason you're a rock star is before we kind of had this older system where a lot of the work orders, those 13,000 work orders kind of came in and we didn't have a good way of tracking them. And so we got a whole new digital system. The technicians can kind of see on their phone here soon what order they need if they're up north or south and get there more efficiently and effectively. And you were the person to kind of help put all that together. Pete Smith, our director here, kind of oversees everything, but you were the glue that brought it together. Tell us a little bit about how that all happened.
Well, everybody hates change, so
they do.
It was difficult in the beginning. I think it did make it easier for Sodexo, our custodial service. The guys, like I said, change is hard for everyone, including me, so the guys will be eventually able to do everything from their phone, from opening the work order, completing and putting their labor in the work order, and closing that work order out. So it'll be super time efficient and resourceful because we won't be printing paper copies. So
that's nice.
Yeah, that's always a plus. So.
Yeah, and what I think is so cool about your guys' department is so often if I'm out in a classroom or I'm working in a school, I don't even notice your guys are there. You know, they kind of come in and get their job done and then they're out of there. I walked around a ladder the other day and I didn't even think at the second, oh, he's fixing a plumbing leak that we had. But they just get it done so quickly and then they're gone and the kids can get back to learning.
Our guys are amazing. People don't realize everything that they do, from getting up at 2:30 in the morning in the winter to scrape parking lots to waiting when you have a sewage backup. You know, even the simple things like placing a picture or a banner on the wall. They do great work and they try not to interrupt the learning day for the students. So a lot of times these guys are in the building before school even opens. So
yeah, that's important.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Okay, well, on behalf of everybody here at the school district, we're so thankful that you're our ProFed teacher or employee rock star teachers next week. But Karen, do you have something you want to say as well?
Yeah, I just can't believe when you say 13, 15,000. That's a lot. You guys do a great
mind-blowing.
job. That is mind-blowing. ProFed is the sponsor of the Employee Rock Star, and we would like to give you a gift card for
Thank
all
you
your
so
hard work.
much.
So thank you for all you do.
It's a team effort.
It definitely is a team effort. Yes, definitely. Thank you, Stephanie.
Thank you, I appreciate it. You're welcome.
Yep. And for the rest of you, thank you for joining us for our Employee Rockstar this week. Next week, we'll finish up the month of October. I know that sounds kind of crazy with our ProFed Teacher Rockstar. So don't forget to join us, and don't forget to look at the end of this video for our Casa D'Angelo Employee of the Month.